Yeah, she's laughing. I'm taking a video of it.
Look, just like a mommy. She's got boogie nose.
I can't say anything. This is getting on my video.
Look, I went like this and she tried to eat it. Ew.
Aw, isn't Karen picking your nose?
We're just not going to eat it like mommy does, okay? You want to eat your nose?
Look, that's the booger. Where is it? Let me see. That's it. Ooh.
Boo. Boo.